Hello guys, I'm back with new videos on image classification using Python in machine learning. As we have gone through many videos on image processing such as Python image classification with TensorFlow and Keras, Python image classification using TensorFlow, and many more videos on image processing using Python. Today's video is all about image classification with CNN using Keras. As we know, CNN stands for Convolutional Neural Network. So let us see in detail. First, all these selected statement are used required libraries imported for the program. Then print TensorFlow version. Then next method get three classes. The three classes which I want to classify, that are aeroplane, car and bird. Here then needs to classify aeroplane, car and bird. The next method show random examples. It is used for visualize the data, that means display the data in matplotlib, and show random examples means there will be not a sequence, it will be random. Now I will execute the program. Yes, bird is there, aeroplane, car, aeroplane means I have successfully done with classes such as aeroplane, car and bird randomly, car, bird. So I have successfully done with image classification using CNN. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Eager to show more videos on machine learning using Python. Thank you.